how to create translate in any language for every countries. At first you going to Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, then type here google.com, then you also type Google Translate, then translate.google.com.bd. You can hear any language for translate more and more countries. For any language in translate by any countries. We can start and see how can do this. You can write your language for another exchange language. Which language you change from here? At first write in Bangla language. You can type your language, then you can change every country's language and every Assamia. Then Portuguese, Hebrew, Hindi, Nepali, China, Greek. You can also more and more countries translate your language from here. You can think from Google Translate. You are always search from here. At first going to Google Chrome, then type google.com. Google Translate. This is short translate method, and another largest this is. Your mother tongue or mother language type here, and then you can change any language from here. We can try more and more. You can think also this typing process is making by Avro keyboard. Then you can change or translate from here. there was no process by Shotni MJ font. So you can think this is making by Avro typing font from your mother language.